Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be making I've gotten this request a couple times, so that's why I'm about to make it for you guys. To begin, add 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour into a sifter and sift this into a large bowl. Once you have finished sifting the all-purpose flour, add 1 1/3 cups of granulated sugar. Now add a ½ teaspoon of salt into the bowl and watch me make a mess while I try to do that. And along with the salt, add 3 teaspoons of baking powder. Gently whisk all these ingredients together and make sure that they are combined thoroughly. Add a ½ cup of chopped up butter into the dry ingredients. You will also need a handheld mixer or a spatula for this. At this point, all the butter is incorporated into the flour and the flour mixture is now coarse like sand. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or a vanilla bean if you have that on hand. I used vanilla extract, which is perfectly fine. Now add 1 cup of milk gradually. Don't mind the mess because the handheld mixer sprays everywhere. Add 2 eggs in, one at a time. Spray a 9-inch round pan and line it with parchment paper on the bottom. Now you can put the mix inside the pan, but make sure it's only halfway full because it needs to rise. Half the batter will be remaining, but that's okay, and you can freeze it for about a month, or you can make another layer to this cake using that batter. Insert a toothpick, and if it comes out clean, the cake is done. If it doesn't come out clean, then the cake is not done. You are ready to flip it now, but make sure it cools down before you start to ice. While the cake is cooling, start making the icing. Add a ½ cup of softened butter and whip it until it's light and fluffy. Once it's fluffy, add 3 cups of powdered sugar gradually. Now watch me make a mess again. Now add 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and at this time you can also add food coloring or any other flavors you would like. Add 3 tablespoons of milk, but you can always add less depending on the consistency of your frosting. Add the milk 1 tablespoon at a time, otherwise the frosting could become too runny and it won't stay on your cake. The frosting should look like this at the end. You can frost the cake in between, which is what I did, and all around it too. After you frost the cake, you can make many designs, but I used the back of my spoon to create this really cool effect. Using the back of your spoon to create designs is a good trick to use, especially if you're bad at frosting cakes. I added a couple berries to give it some color and it tasted great. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Yeah, baby girl, you're so damn fine, no. Wanna know if I can hit it from behind, though. I'm sipping on you like some fine wine.